G'day, Baz here from buildsbybaz.com, and I thought I'd take you guys for a bit of a quick walkthrough of the progress up to this date and see where we're going, see how far we've come. So I've still got to get enough fiberglass together to skin this thing, but it's almost ready. A few little lumps and bumps to sand out, a couple of little corrections here and there, but it's pretty much all done. I've still got the side wings to make and fit, and then I can fit the cannons to them. I've just finished the tail wing and I've mounted it today, and so now it's just tidying up, finish those couple of things, and then I can start putting some surprises on the inside. I'm also going to take all the plywood cladding off the steel legs, and I'm going to clad them in steel, which is a lot easier than it sounds. Alright, we'll go for a quick look up the ladder, get an overall view. There you go. Stay tuned. Want to see more? www.buildsbybaz.com. Cheers.